That sound is a pressure cooker counting down right now. In kitchens across the world, millions of people are using appliances that could turn dangerous. Today we're revealing the truth about pressure cooking, and we didn't just read specs, we pushed cookers to their absolute limits. What we discovered will change how you cook forever. One of these models shouldn't even be legal. One could save you thousands, and one, well, let's just say you'll want to check your kitchen immediately. This isn't a review. This is an investigation. And it starts now. Starting at number 1. Instant Pot Rio. What we love. In testing, the Rio was incredibly easy to use out of the box. Simply fill the pot, lock the lid, hit the pressure button, and use up and down arrows to enter the cook time you need. The machine also features preset times for soup, meat, beans, rice, multigrain, poultry, and eggs. In my years of Instant Pot ownership, though, I found that I mostly used a custom pressure setting with a cook time provided by the recipe I'm making. The interface on the Rio is intuitive to use and easy to read, no matter what settings you choose to use. The pressure releases easily at the end of your cook via a switch on top of the LED. In addition to performing perfectly in my pressure cooking tests, the Instant Pot Rio demonstrated even sautéing ability when caramelizing onions and produced a beautiful slow-cooked pork. The Instant Pot Rio was released in June 2022 as an upgrade to the Instant Pot Duo model. These are now the most basic models that Instant sells, though they can still pressure cook, slow cook, steam, and make rice and yogurt. The Rio also has a sleeker and slimmer body than the Duo, while also providing increased cooking surface area. It features an anti-spin stainless steel pot, which makes sautéing and stirring easier. Number 2. T-Fal Clipso Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. What we love. Stovetop pressure cookers are theoretically very simple devices. They're stainless steel pots with pressure-locking lids. In actuality, the machines can feel intimidating to use, and a lot of that is based on the machine's lid design. Testing pressure cookers involves a lot of maneuvering lids, fumbling to get them correctly aligned and make sure they're in the right place and properly locked and sealed. T-Fal wins against its stovetop competitors thanks to its very clever lid design. The machine features 2 large metal wings on either side of the lid, which hang over the rim of the pot. Push down on a large round button with the T-Fal logo on top, and those wings come inward, clipping over the rim of the pot and locking the lid into place. To release the lid, you press a large red button protruding from the side of the top handle, and those wings cast outward again, freeing the top of the pressure cooker. The T-Fal also has an easy-to-use venting system. You turn a valve that protrudes from the top of the lid to a cook setting, labeled with a little carrot and piece of meat, when you're ready to use the machine, bringing it to pressure. When you're done and want to release the pressure, you turn the valve to the steam setting, and it releases hot moisture from the valve. This cooker's quality design doesn't stop at the lid. It also features a tri-layer stainless steel bottom, which means it offers excellent heat conduction. You'll be tempted to use the pot to caramelize onions or do other non-pressure cooking related tasks, because it's simply a well-made piece of stainless steel cookware. This machine is also virtually silent to operate. Many of its stovetop competitors involve teetering pressure gauges that rattle around on top of the machine, or emit loud whistles of steam throughout the cooking process. Another great feature, if you remove the gasket and the pressure valve, the T-Fal can also go in your dishwasher. Number 3. Cosori 6-quart Pressure Cooker. What we love. This pressure cooker is about $20 to $30 cheaper than the winning Instant Pot Rio at the time of writing, making it as cheap as our winning stovetop model. Despite the low price, it performed all of the cooking tests just as well as our winner, making chicken, beans, rice, and slow-cooked pork with aplomb. It's easy to set up and use out of the box, and very easy to clean due to a non-stick coating on the pot. What we'd leave, this machine's construction feels much cheaper than that of the Instant Pot, and because of that I have concerns about its long-term durability. I've owned the Instant Pot Max for the past 7 years and have had no issue with its operation over the years, even after near-weekly use. The non-stick coating on this pot makes it more likely to degrade over time, and since this is a PTFE coating, scratches to the coating could make dangerous chemicals leach into the food you're cooking. Make sure you don't use any metal utensils on this machine. Number 4. Fissler Vitavit Pressure Cooker. Several design features take this above the rest of the stovetop pressure cooker competition. The pressure gauge is clever. It's a metal piece that rises and falls out of the top of the lid, which we did see on other machines. But the Fissler's gauge is marked with stripes of green, correct amount of pressure, yellow, close to the right pressure, and red, pressure too high or low. It's easy to monitor and make sure you've got the heat right where you want it. The Fissler has a great lid locking mechanism that's clear and easy to use. It comes with helpful instructions and recipes that I ended up referencing when I set up other stovetop pressure cookers, and has a great pressure release button that's fun to use, though some people may find that it emits steam too close to their hands. Finally, it's made of high-quality materials, with a heavy bottom that's great for searing and caramelizing. However, at $300, the Fissler is more expensive even than all of the electric models, and it still requires finessing and constant monitoring to use. Number 5. Our Place Dream Cooker. The inner pot on this machine is coated with the signature millennial-coated, direct-to-consumer ceramic non-stick material. It also comes in the dusty, powder-coated shades of that cookware contingent. I was skeptical that this machine would work well, given that it seemed mostly to innovate in the area of aesthetics. In the end, though, I was impressed with the Dream Cooker. If you're still using that old pressure cooker in your cabinet, you heard the evidence, you saw the tests, the choice is yours. Every model that survived our brutal testing, from the budget lifesaver to the professional beast, every link is waiting in the description below. But remember, safety isn't optional, it's essential. Smash that like button if this video might have just prevented a kitchen disaster. Share it with someone who needs to see this. It could save them more than just time. Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're testing what happens when these meet fire, and trust me, you'll want to see which ones survive.